on the Bluetooth on your phone, come to the laptop and click on Bluetooth. You can either search it from your from the search bar. If you're finding it difficult, just come to the search bar. Come to the search bar and type Bluetooth. So I'm going to type Bluetooth and I'll open. So from your search bar, you can open any application of your choice. So now my Bluetooth is open. All you need to do is click on add device. I'll click on Bluetooth, the device. Once you click on add device, it will start searching for the nearest Bluetooth device. It will start searching for the nearest Bluetooth device. So that's how to pair your phone. You need to pair them together. All right. So now it has seen my phone. I'll click on my phone. Once I click on it, it's going to say connect. It will send me a code. Can you see? It's telling me connect with this code. So on my phone, this message will, the numbers are the same. On my phone, I'll press pair. Then here I'll click on connect. So that's how to pair your laptop to your phone. So you click on send or receive file. Okay. So now on my phone, I want to send something from the phone to the laptop. So you go to the image you want to send on your phone. You click on the image. I'm going to click it now. You need to click on the image before you receive file on your laptop. All right. So I'll click on the image and I'll say share. So click an image on your phone and then you say share. Once you say share, you click on Bluetooth from your phone. Once you have clicked on Bluetooth, you now click on receive file here. Once you click on receive file, you now select the laptop on your phone. So I'm selecting it. Automatically it will start coming. Can you see? It's already coming. So that's how to send images from your phone to the laptop. So you click on the image on your phone, click on share, select Bluetooth. Immediately you select Bluetooth, you now click on receive file on the laptop. Once you click on receive file, you select the laptop on your phone and automatically it starts coming. And see this, you need to select where you want, or you need to watch where that image is going to before you say finish. All right, so right now it's going to our desktop. If you don't want it to go to your desktop, you can select the folder where you want it to go to. Okay, you select the folder where you want it to go to. Anywhere you want it to go to, you select. All right, you select it and then you say okay, finish, and then you're done. Call it a day in the absence of anything. This will be me saying bye. Have a
Thank you so much.
nice evening.